Keynesian equilibrium. Keynesian equilibrium is the level of national income slash output at which planned expenditure equals actual output. This can be seen through the equation y equals PAE or y equals planned aggregate expenditure. Now to solve aggregate expenditure, you need the equation PAE equals A plus BY, which is basically planned aggregate expenditure equals autonomous expenditure plus marginal propensity to consume multiplied by Y, which is the level of income. After that, you just have to solve it algebraically. Additionally, this is put into a graph in which aggregate expenditure is on the y-axis as seen here, and real GDP is on the x-axis, but it's represented as y. Now, the GDP slope will always be at a 45-degree angle no matter what, and it will continue to stay constant. Now, the one that is changed is aggregate expenditure, which is driven by autonomous expenditure, which changes it up either from up or down the y-axis. For example, in this graph, autonomous expenditure starts at around $3,000. This is where it starts, and as it goes, it eventually should intersect with the GDP line, meaning this EO is Keynesian equilibrium. To find the slope of aggregate expenditure, you have to solve algebraically in the PAE equals A plus BY equation as I said before. Then you can see right now in the graph that there is Keynesian equilibrium at $6,000 or $6,000, yep, because the total amount of goods equals the total amount of planned spending, which is aggregate expenditure. As you can see, they both equal 6,000 here, as seen as the dotted lines. Now, if Keynesian equilibrium is less than potential output, then it shows that there is a recessionary gap, which potential GDP would be on the left side of the equilibrium. And it means that you should increase production to reach full employment level of output. Unlike when Keynesian equilibrium is more than potential output, then there is an inflationary gap and they should produce less.